Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 5 reasons to learn data science in 2023. As you know, data science has become one of the hottest fields in the past few years, and it's not slowing down anytime soon. So, let's jump right into it. So, what is data science? Data science is an interdisciplinary field where data scientists capture and work with data to make sense of otherwise unorganized and jumbled up information. Data science involves a combination of scientific methods, algorithms, and systematic processes to unravel the raw, unstructured data they first receive. Why is data science important? Without data science, companies of all sizes, especially large organizations, would have difficulty making informed decisions. Data scientists extrapolate the data they collect to uncover trends in every area of the business. They help leaders and C-suite executives make decisions backed by data to continue growing their company and make the best decisions for their consumers. Businesses are all about analytics and metrics. Without those, you don't have a clear picture of the health of your business. Data science is essential for every business because of the value and insight it provides. Why you study in data science. 5 top reasons. Segment 1. High demand for data scientists. The first reason you should learn data science in 2023 is because there is an incredibly high demand for data scientists right now. Companies are drowning in data and they need experts who can analyze it, make sense of it, and turn it into actionable insights. In fact, according to LinkedIn's 2021 jobs report, data science is one of the top 10 most in-demand jobs in the world. So, if you're looking for a career with great job security and plenty of opportunities for growth, data science might be the perfect field for you. Segment 2. Competitive salaries. Another reason to learn data science in 2023 is because of the competitive salaries. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a data scientist in the United States is over $100,000 per year. And that's just the average. If you have experience and specialized skills, you could earn even more. So, not only is data science a rewarding career in terms of the work you do, but it's also a financially rewarding one. Segment 3. Diverse applications. The third reason to learn data science in 2023 is because of the diverse applications. Data science is used in a variety of fields, from healthcare to finance to social media. This means that you could work in almost any industry you're interested in and still use your data science skills. Plus, as new technologies emerge and more data becomes available, the applications of data science are only going to grow. Segment 4. Opportunity for innovation. The fourth reason to learn data science in 2023 is because of the opportunity for innovation. As a data scientist, you'll be working with cutting-edge technologies and using data to solve complex problems. This means that you'll constantly be pushing the boundaries of what's possible and coming up with new and innovative solutions. If you're someone who enjoys solving puzzles and thinking outside the box, data science might be the perfect field for you. Segment 5. Skills for the future. And finally, the fifth reason to learn data science in 2023 is because it's a skill for the future. With the rise of big data and the increasing reliance on technology in almost every aspect of our lives, data science is becoming more and more important. By learning data science, you'll be developing skills that will be valuable for years to come. Plus, you'll be setting yourself up for success in a world where data is king.
So, there you have it, the top 5 reasons to learn data science in 2023. I hope this video has been informative and has inspired you to consider a career in data science. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.